Hi, this is Jennifer Donna with Ovaleye.com, and I'm going to be going over how to dress up your WordPress blog by installing a theme, a free theme. That's kind of what we're going to be going over today. So you've already installed WordPress on your Plus Control panel, you're hosting with Ovaleye, and all set to go. We're going to go ahead and play dress up. So we click on Appearance, then Themes. It's over on the left-hand side once you're in your dashboard, logged into WordPress. So here we see our current theme, which is a default theme. It's a 2010 theme. It's there automatically after you've installed it in Plesk. It's pretty simple. You've got a nice header that you can definitely change up. So if you wanted to stick with this theme, it's totally fine. You can see what a page looks like, a post. It's all pretty simplistic. That's what comments will look like. If we look over on the right-hand side, you can see widgets that are easily added via your WordPress panel, but that's another video, and I think I'll go over a little bit in just a bit. However, so now we're talking about installing themes. You can see here that we can search for themes, but the first option I'm going to go over is uploading. And uploading is if you already have purchased a theme, it's a commercial theme that you found elsewhere online. You search for it on your desktop and then upload it onto the server to use. So that is that tab. It's very simple. Over on Featured, Newest, and Recently Uploaded, now this is more of a browsing type option for installing a theme and dressing up your blog. So here we're looking at the Adventure Journal, there's Evolve, and I don't know how to say that. The third theme, but let's go ahead and scroll down a bit. You can see there's a description, you can see details. If we click on preview, now this is a really nice thing. If you ever really like a theme, you want to see how it interacts with the user. Up here on the right hand top side, you can see that this is a little bit different than our default theme in that the pages are up at the top rather than below the header. You can see that the post looks a little bit different. If you're totally DIY and you're just going to do this all yourself and you don't know anything about style sheets, then you really want to make sure that the theme has got what you're looking for. Browsing is best for people without real branding and set in stone, real colors, things like that. Say if you're a travel blog, that's a good way to get started, and then you can build on it from there. Scrolling down, this is a theme that I found a little bit earlier that I really liked, and this is a baby blog, so I thought, okay, let's go ahead and start with this one. If you click on Install and then Install Now, so that's just 2 clicks, it's super easy. It quickly downloads, installs the theme, and then you click Activate. Be sure to click Activate so that you can make sure that it switches that from the default into the new theme. Here you can see your options for changing and customizing is in widgets, menus, and background. And it's all right there once you've activated. This is the newest version of WordPress, and so you're able to see that there. So I'm going to go ahead and just preview my blog, and I clicked on, just to let you know, that left upper hand link, and now I'm looking at it. So you can see that the page, what it looks like. If I scroll down, you can see what my header looks like. You can see what a post looks like when I click over. The colors, as you'll see in a little bit, are not super customizable on the surface. However, every theme, if you work with a designer or someone that knows a little bit more about style sheets, everything can be fixed. But let's say that you're just going to do it yourself and you don't know what a style sheet is, and that those colors do not work for you. My blog is about a baby boy, so I'm going to choose blue, and I just kind of set my search standards at a few different things, and those are the blogs that came up with. However, I'm just going to go ahead and stay on this current theme. So I'm going to click on Menus. This is where I could customize the menu to be something exactly what I want it to be, and I'll go over this a little bit more. This is an example of just some on the surface changes that you can make, and then this theme, and each theme has different things you can tweak. This one did a background image and some simple display colors, not very much. If you're totally DIY, you're going to want a lot of options right there on the surface, and really the only way that you can find out if they're good or not is to go straight into adding it onto your WordPress blog. That I just showed you is the style sheet info, and if you don't know what that means, just totally ignore it for right now. But as you get into blogging, you'll probably get more interested in it. So right now I'm looking at widgets. It's more of a drag and drop situation. This is another area that you can customize within this theme. Most themes you can add widgets, take them away, all sorts of fun little stuff. Some have customized widgets. You can also add in plugins. Some plugins add in over there, and the widgets basically go over on that right side column. Some blogs are on left and some blogs are actually on both. So just as a little bonus, when I did the preview, it showed my blog. This is a custom setting, or not custom, but it's a default setting. You just go over there to the left-hand side, click settings, and then change your site title and tagline. Of course, you're going to want to keep in mind the SEO. Site title, tagline you are going to want to add some more heavy keywords in there. So if you're include your company's name, maybe what they do, etc. So once I've changed that, you can go back over or refresh. You see, there. I mean, I really didn't do very much at all for that. So you can find more videos like this and more information at Ovaleye.com. Thanks for listening.